There we go! Yeah, get in there! Get in there, Rack! Nice!
56. Anchoring now for the Buckeyes, that's Lindsay Ward. Ward in lane 3. Pinterest in lane 2 for the Buckeyes, Ward in lane C. And Merrick in lane 4, also for the Buckeyes. After all, lane 4, Ryan Slade.